guys, eto na naman ako. Maglalakwatsa na naman ako. Hi! So, see you! This is highway. I might not be able to vlog the entire travel, but at least you've seen that I exited at Susana Heights. I should be wrestling with this bus. Look at that. Lalampasan natin yan. We'll pass through San Pedro exit, and then after that, Southwoods, and then Carmona. After Carmona, Santa Rosa, go straight and exit at Eton. So I am near Eton now. I am about to take my exit toll to Eton. And oh my god, the rain is really that hard and I couldn't see much. Look at that, guys. So I am running at a 40 km/h. We don't use miles here. I need to be there in 10 minutes sa Seda, but I doubt if I can do that. So traffic. Pagmasdan ang ulan, unti-unting pumapatak. Sadya bang swerte-swerte lang bagong ulan. Raindrops is falling on my head. Boulevard. Ayan, that's the Boulevard. And that is the Soledad 2. So you just have to go straight to Tagaytay Road and then turn left to the New Valley Boulevard and then turn left again. You'll see Seda. Okay. Guys, at last, I had my parking already. I'm changing my slippers. I choose. Look. I need to wear slippers. Because it's raining. So I need to wear my slippers. Guys, grabe oh. Talagang kakaiba ang mga pangyayari. Hello, hi. Say hello. Maka-vlog kayo. Ayan si Manong Guard. Ano si stress din sa rain. Ayan.
Kaya po, ma'am. Pagkita natin mas malaki yan.
Paano ko pa kaya mabibit-bet? Hindi ko na kaya. Oh my God!
Dito na kayo, ma'am?
Yes? Oh, thank you so much. You're so kind. Ay, naku pa. Sorry hindi ko alam. Uy, buti na lang may kind-hearted. Ayan, ako. Maraming salamat. Talaga. Maraming salamat. Pasensya na, ha?
Wala pong problema.
Ay. Naku. Ayan na, hindi na ako makatasan. Yan. Buti na lang may service sila. Kasi ginagawa yung Seda 2, no?
Opo, ma'am.
Oo, yan. Ang wet look na talaga ng lola mo. Talagang snaky hair.
Ganda pa rin ako.
Yan ang yan talaga mga vlogger. Pasensya naman, no? Ha? Talagang addiction lang ito. Oh my gosh. So we are here at Seda. Look at the stairs, guys. Like this one. Going down.
Goes to my headquarters. It's even 20% cooler than hers.
Oh my. Wow. Smile. Big. Guys, kain muna tayo, ha? Yan. Oh my God.
Another eating vlog.
Ayan ang logo. This is...
Oh, careful.
Grabe, ang sarap, guys. Sobra. Balap ng lechon, di ba? Panalo. Woo! That station, guys. Almusal tayo. That's our breakfast. Okay, we have salad station here. Several salads. Oh my god. Steamed rice. Cheese I cannot open because I'm holding something. We have garlic rice here. I think I'm gonna go back na lang. It says baked macaroni. What did you get? Wow. Sige. 809. Thank you. Vegetables, mushrooms. Parang babalik na lang ako. Hanggang 10 lang po. Ano?
Yes, ma'am.